Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing TigerTough seat covers for the RAM ProMaster City. Let's get into it. All right, like I said, these are the TigerTough seat covers for the RAM ProMaster City. We got them in gray. The part number is on your screen. It's going to be the same material and everything, no matter which color you order. It's just going to be a different color. We happen to get these in gray. Last band we had them in black. So let's take a look and see what we got here. So right on top, I noticed we have our installation instructions. That's the nice thing about TigerTough is they give you a unique installation manual for every seat cover. So this is specific to the RAM ProMaster City. It's not just kind of a generic installation. So that's nice that TigerTough provides that. You can also watch a video we're going to come out with installing these on the ProMaster behind me to see how to install them as well. But here we have two headrest covers, so one headrest cover for each headrest in the driver's seat, the passenger seat, in the van. Then we have here nicely labeled, I don't know if you can see that on the overhead camera, but this is labeled passenger. And if I open this up quick, you can see this is the seat bottom. I can tell just by these little drawstrings here and the, what do they call this thing? The string lock. This is a unique little tool that TigerTough includes with a lot of their seat covers, in which just allows you to get a nice snug, fit of this drawstring that runs all the way around seat cover. It's going to prevent the seat from shifting back and forth and all that. And so this just allows you to get some leverage and then lock it in place. It's a nice little tool that's included with the seat covers. Also some Velcro straps. Sometimes this will attach, kind of just underneath the seat. This is the top of the seat, and it attaches that way. And sometimes your Velcro will actually interact with the Velcro that's on the top part of the seat cover, or the I don't know what you call it, the seat back cover. So this is our passenger side bottom. Here we have it labeled, driver side bottom. Now here's what I'm going to check for. Actually, never mind. This is the bottom. So again, we have our string lock here, basically almost a carbon copy of the passenger seat, I'm sure, just mirrored. Then we have here, let's see, look for our label. Driver seat. This is the seat back, or seat top, if you will. And so I'm trying to figure out which direction this faces. Yes, so in our particular RAM ProMaster City, we have a lumbar support, so you can see there's a hole cut out here for the lumbar support. And on the right, there is a little cutout for the armrest that comes out the side of the driver's seat. And we've got little cutouts here for the top where the seat headrest will go into place. Now the thing about TigerTough seat covers, we get this question sometimes, is do they work with airbags? You can see there's this little airbag label here. This goes over the factory airbag on the seat. You can kind of see here that the stitching is almost a different color. And because it's designed to essentially rip in the case where the airbag is deployed, so you still get the full functionality of the airbag. This is our driver's seat and our passenger seat top. And again, we have the airbag stitching on the side, so this works with the airbag on that side. So this is the gray color. Sometimes it's hard to see, what that looks like. Even in this video, it may be hard to tell like what color this will look like in your van. Maybe once we get it in our ProMaster City, you'll be able to tell a little bit better. But the TigerTough seat covers, they're made out of I always pronounce this wrong, the Cordura Denier 1000. It's just a super tough fabric. This is essentially rip-proof, tear-proof, everything-proof, waterproof, spill-proof. Mud on here, barbecue sauce on here, whatever, and it's not gonna ruin the seats in the van. So great product here from TigerTough. This is a tight-fitting seat cover, means it's designed specifically for the RAM ProMaster City. Don't buy this and try and put this on some other van, because it's not gonna work. This is a tight-fitting seat cover designed exclusively and specifically for the RAM ProMaster City. They do make them for all the vans, so you can still get this if you've got a Trans-Connect, or you've got a Ford Transit, or a ProMaster full-size, NV, whatever it is, you can get that seat cover. If you are looking for these seat covers or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it is work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.